Hello everybody, my name is William Shin and this is Visitor Insights and Social Media Analytics in R. And I've been doing this kind of work for a number of years. I have over 7 years of experience with R, extensive work with Google Analytics and R and plotting over those years. I've also been doing a lot of work with analytics and speaking at scientific conferences and events. And I'm very comfortable in delivering presentations and analytic solutions to both scientific and non-scientific audiences. So if this is your first time viewing a course made by myself or your first introduction into web analytics, I will try to explain things in a way that will be familiar and understandable to both experienced and novice users. Some of the things that we'll learn throughout this course include segmentation. We're going to be going pretty deeply into that. The first section is going to cover segmentation according to visitors. Second section will go into segmentation by monthly revenue, and we'll see what sort of insights we can get about our revenue and traffic sources when we segment them up into their different subcategories. In the third section, we're going to look at sort of take the tools that we learned in section 1 and 2 and see how we can use them to design effective marketing campaigns. One of the questions we're going to ask is how effective were past marketing campaigns? And we're going to take some of those insights, some of those tools, and use them to design effective marketing campaigns for us in the future. And in section 4, we're going to ask a broader question about customer loyalty. We're going to see different ways on how we can track or measure customer loyalty using embedded image tags or UTM parameters to really get a very detailed picture about visitors and how much they're coming back, how much they're unsubscribing or reading emails that we send them. In section 5, we're going to broaden our perspective a little bit, not just looking at Google Analytics, but tie in some of those concepts with social media. And we're going to look at the different tools that are available, different ways that each social media platform can be used effectively in order to drive website traffic. And we're going to kind of see this link between social media marketing and the marketing of our website itself. Some of the goals that we want to accomplish throughout this course is to track and measure and analyze your website performance effectively using popular tools in R. We're going to look at visualization tools, we're going to look at dashboard tools, and explore different ways that communication of the results of analytics can be done effectively to whoever you may be talking to. We're going to get the most out of R's analytics capabilities and use them to generate insightful reports and visualization. And we're going to really help you get a comprehensive tutorial in performing efficient web analytics using segmentation, using marketing concepts, social media tools, and sort of combine and integrate them to maximize your website's performance. Some of the prerequisites for this course include a bit of programming experience. Really, we're going to be using R most extensively, but any sort of programming experience that you've had, if you've played around with Python, with HTML, it's something that can definitely help, but it's certainly not required because I will be providing all of the code as well as all the tools that you need. Also, a basic understanding of web analytic concepts, such as key performance indicators or KPIs and segmentation, will also be very helpful as well. So we thank you very much for your attention, and we look forward to going together on this journey.